Hey guys, so today I have got a Medusa's makeup box to show you. I've kind of lost track of these, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure this is maybe the June box, but it might be July, I don't know. We'll have to see it when we open it. I've not opened it up yet. I'm just kind of a little unexcited by these lately, I'm not gonna lie. I think at the start it was really cute to get, but now it's kind of like a lot of the stuff is very similar to past boxes, so I'm not sure how I feel about it, but let's open this and see what it's like. So, this is the July box. So this is Summer Essentials, apparently. Everything in these boxes is cruelty free and vegan, and it's mainly like a makeup box really. It's pretty cheap. I think it's $20 and it works out about £20 to the UK, so sometimes it's really worth it. You get some really nice stuff in it. Their lip glosses are amazing, but sometimes it's just like a little samey. So the first thing we have is a mask, and this is a grapefruit whitening glowing facial mask. Now this isn't a Medusa's makeup item, this is just one that they've kind of put in there from another brand called Beauty Host. I don't use face masks because my skin is just too sensitive, so I won't be using this, but that's the first thing we have anyway. And then there is a little pouch of the other stuff in here. So the first thing we've got is 100% maracuja oil, 5ml little bottle. It says this is for anti-aging, dry skin, dry scalp and hair, acne and general skincare. It's rich in vitamin C and you apply it topically. So that is what that little bottle looks like. And see what it smells like. Doesn't really smell of anything. I thought it might smell of something interesting, but no, just oil. So there is that. Then we have a Wet n Wild item, which again, a little random. I feel like in the Medusa makeup boxes they should put Medusa's makeup, like I feel like that's sort of the point, but so this is a little like single eyeshadow in the colour Nutty. We don't really have Wet n Wild here in the UK, so it's nice to try stuff out, but I would rather it was like their own brand stuff. And it's probably going to take me forever to open this because it's got a big sticker on it, so just give me a second. Wow. So that was probably the most annoying thing I've ever tried to open in my life. So this is what that looks like. Oh, it's quite a nice colour actually. A lot shimmerier than I thought. Is that a word? Shimmerier? A lot more shimmery than I thought it would be. I will put it here. Oh, okay. Okay. Proving me wrong a little. Do actually really like that. That would be a very nice highlight if you've got maybe a darker skin tone. On me it's a little too dark, but yeah, okay, fair enough. So there is that, and then the last thing we've got is Beach Bum Frosted Blush. So let's see what this colour is. I really hope it's like a nice pale normal blush, not their like hot pink ones. Yeah, it's just not, is it? So there is this. I just don't feel like these are usable really, not on my skin anyway. I'm way too pale to have cheeks this colour. You could maybe use it as an eyeshadow, I suppose, but it's just like hot pink, so there is that. Can you imagine? It's just not going to work out for me, but yeah, so that was everything in the July Summer Essentials box from Medusa's makeup. So I will just quickly show you everything again. There was the mask, the frosted blush, the little Wet n Wild eyeshadow, and the maracuja oil. So I'll give this a try, maybe on like the ends of my hair or something, see if it helps that a little bit. And this is actually a lot nicer than I was expecting, but I won't be using these two. So yeah, that was everything in this box. I'll put the info down below in case you want to go and check them out. Like I said, I'm falling out of love with the boxes a little bit, but their lip glosses are incredible. So if you're looking for a good lip gloss that's not sticky, that smells and tastes amazing, then I would recommend these, but I'm sure you can make up your own mind. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.